down here in Imperial World Samrock and thought I'd come and have a look at this mini car show that's on, and sure enough, Hinks Garage has this Lightning McQueen car down here, so let's go have a look around, see what sort of cars are on display here, what bikes, there's all sorts of things here. Lightning McQueen is in the house. Hinks Garage, you're a legend, great car this. So this is a Toyota Celica with a 3S GTE engine. What's behind me? There is a Toyota Champ. Now this is the new Hilux that's just been released here this year. Very different design, very similar to the 79 series in a way. You have the drop side tray, which is great on the sides and the back. So it's got the tub liner as well, which is good to see. Yeah, it's got extra storage, extra tie down points. It is quite a different sort of looking vehicle. It's not your traditional everyday Hilux, I would call a Hilux, but this is a Hilux Champ in Thailand anyways. These Hiluxes are actually built, all of them are built in Thailand, so yeah. So the engine in this is the 2.4 litre, being the two-wheel drive model. No doubt there will be a four-wheel drive model coming out soon. It's still got a DPF. That's the 5th injector. Very annoying. But it's the way of emissions these days. Plenty of room for a second battery, auxiliary battery. It's good to see. They follow a very similar shape to the Land Cruiser 79 series. And the guards are probably a little bit bigger than the 79. We've cut a few corners with the lack of the moulding around here on the bonnet underneath. Going by the pipework, they've got a front mount intercooler. hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. There's not much here. It's only a little mini car show, like they said. So, yeah, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you out on the next video. See ya.